In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export assets in Figma. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow so you can get clean files out of your designs for development, marketing, or handoff. Start by opening your browser and heading to figma.com. Once you're in, look for the area that shows your work and open the view that lists all projects. This makes it easy to find what you need without digging through recent files. Click into the project that contains the asset you want to export. Inside the file, focus on the left sidebar. You'll usually see a tab for layers and another for assets. Switch to the Assets tab. This view shows components and libraries available in the file. It's ideal for exporting reusable pieces like icons, buttons, or, in our example, a sidebar component that you might use across multiple screens. Find the component you want, then select it in the Assets panel, and insert an instance onto the canvas. Placing an instance gives you a concrete object to select and export while keeping the original component intact. An instance behaves like the component, so it stays consistent with your design system. With that instance selected on the canvas, look over to the right-hand Properties panel, scroll down until you reach the Export section. This is where you set up how the file should be exported. You can add an export setting and choose a file format. Figma gives you several common options: PNG, SVG, JPEG, and PDF. Pick the format that matches your use case. PNG is great for crisp UI assets and supports transparency. SVG is a vector format, perfect for icons and logos because it scales without losing quality and stays lightweight for the web. JPEG works well for photos or complex images where transparency isn't required. PDF is useful when you need vector fidelity for documents or print-friendly output. If you're preparing assets for high-density screens, you can also choose a higher scale so your export includes larger resolutions. Once your format is selected and the settings look right, click Export. Figma will generate the file and prompt you to save it to your computer. The exported file name is based on the layer or component name, so keeping names clean and descriptive is a great habit for organized handoff. That's the full process. Open your project, switch to assets, insert an instance of the component you need, set the export options, choose the format, and export. Follow this flow, and you'll consistently produce assets that are ready for developers, presentations, or production.